Best water coolers. Are you looking for the best water coolers? In this video we will look at some of the best water coolers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Avalon Bottom Loading Water Cooler. The Avalon Bottom Loading Water Cooler water dispenser is an ideal choice for homes and offices seeking convenient, versatile hydration solutions. Designed with a sleek and durable stainless steel construction, this water dispenser not only offers a modern aesthetic but also ensures long-lasting performance. Its bottom-loading design eliminates the hassle of heavy water bottles on top, making refills easier and safer. Equipped with BioGuard antimicrobial coating, this cooler inhibits the growth of bacteria and mold, promoting cleaner, safer water with every use. The dispenser features 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature, to cater to all your beverage needs. Whether you want a refreshing cold drink, soothing hot water for tea or coffee, or neutral temperature water for quick hydration, Avalon has you covered. The hot water function includes a child safety lock to prevent accidental burns, making it family-friendly. This model is UL listed, ensuring it meets rigorous safety and performance standards. The water dispenser's intuitive controls and LED indicators make operation simple and efficient. Compact yet powerful, the Avalon bottom-loading water cooler is perfect for spaces of all sizes. Its removable drip tray simplifies cleaning, while the quiet operation won't disturb your work or relaxation. Combining style, safety, and functionality, this dispenser is a reliable water source for maintaining hydration throughout your day. Number 2. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler. The Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler water dispenser, limited edition, redefines convenience and hygiene in hydration. Designed for modern homes and offices, this water cooler combines innovative technology with sleek aesthetics to provide refreshing water at your fingertips. Its bottom-loading design ensures effortless bottle changes without the heavy lifting or awkward spills, keeping your space neat and user-friendly. What sets this model apart is its self-cleaning feature, which uses advanced UVC light technology to automatically sanitize the water reservoir and internal components. This reduces bacteria buildup and guarantees cleaner, fresher water every time, minimizing maintenance and giving you peace of mind. The dispenser offers 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and cool, perfectly suited to every preference. Whether you're brewing tea with hot water, enjoying chilled hydration, or sipping room temperature water, the Brio cooler has you covered. For safety, the hot water tap is equipped with a child lock feature, protecting your family from accidental burns. This limited edition model boasts a stylish, modern design that fits seamlessly into any decor, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. The digital controls and LED indicators make it easy to operate and monitor, providing convenience at every use. Compact yet powerful, the Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler is the perfect hydration solution for busy lifestyles, delivering pure water safely and efficiently. Experience the next level in water dispensing technology with this premium, limited edition appliance. Number 3. Igloo Bottom Load Water Cooler Dispenser. The Igloo stainless steel hot, cold and room water cooler dispenser is the perfect solution for convenient, versatile hydration in any home or office. Designed to hold both 3 and 5-gallon water bottles, this dispenser features a no-lift bottom-loading design that makes bottle replacement effortless and spill-free. Say goodbye to heavy lifting and awkward spills. Crafted with a sleek black and stainless steel finish, this cooler offers a modern, durable look that complements any space. It provides 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature, so you can easily enjoy refreshing cold water, soothing hot beverages, or neutral water anytime. The 3 temperature-specific spouts ensure easy dispensing without cross-contamination. Safety is a priority with the child safety lock on the hot water spout, preventing accidental burns and making it family-friendly. The dispenser's compact footprint fits well in kitchens, offices, and break rooms without taking up too much space. This model is designed for easy use and maintenance, featuring simple controls and a removable drip tray for quick cleaning. Its sturdy stainless steel construction not only looks great but also resists rust and wear, ensuring long-term durability. The Igloo stainless steel water cooler dispenser combines functionality, safety, and style, making it a reliable choice for everyday hydration needs. Whether for hot tea, cold water, or room temperature drinks, this water cooler delivers fresh, clean water with convenience and ease. Number 4. Frigidaire EFWC 498 Water Cooler/Dispenser. The Frigidaire EFWC 498 top-load hot and cold water cooler dispenser is a versatile and compact solution designed to provide convenient hydration for homes, garages, dorm rooms, RVs, and cottages. Compatible with both 3- and 5-gallon water bottles, this dispenser makes it easy to enjoy fresh, clean water wherever you need it most. Measuring just 11-inch deep, 11.5 wide, and 36 high, the Frigidaire EFWC 498 fits comfortably into small spaces without sacrificing functionality. Its classic white finish blends seamlessly with any decor, providing a clean and simple look. This water cooler offers 2 essential temperature settings, hot and cold, allowing you to quickly dispense ice-cold water for refreshment or hot water for tea, coffee, or instant meals. The top-loading design makes bottle replacement straightforward, while the sturdy construction ensures durability for everyday use. Ideal for dormitories, workshops, or recreational vehicles, this unit provides reliable performance with easy-to-use controls and a user-friendly dispensing system. The compact footprint combined with Frigidaire's trusted brand quality makes it a dependable choice for any environment where access to hot and cold water is needed. Whether you're staying hydrated during busy days or enjoying a quick hot beverage, the Frigidaire EFWC 498 offers a practical, space-saving, and affordable water cooler dispenser solution. Its blend of size, functionality, and convenience makes it a smart addition to your hydration setup. Number 5. Brio Limited Edition Top-Loading Countertop Water Cooler. The Brio Limited Edition Top-Loading Countertop Water Cooler Dispenser combines style, convenience, and reliable performance in a compact design ideal for any kitchen, office, or small space. This sleek water cooler offers the versatility of 3 temperature settings, hot, cold, and room temperature, providing refreshing hydration or soothing warm beverages whenever you need them. Designed for countertop use, the top-loading design makes bottle replacement quick and easy, eliminating heavy lifting while ensuring clean and efficient water dispensing. This limited edition model stands out with its modern aesthetic and high-quality construction, making it a stylish addition to your space. Certified with UL Safety Listing and Energy Star approval, the Brio dispenser meets rigorous standards for safety and energy efficiency. This means you get not only a reliable appliance but also one that helps reduce your energy consumption and environmental impact. The hot water tap features a child safety lock, ensuring protection against accidental burns, making it safe for homes with children. The intuitive controls and clear LED indicators allow effortless operation, while the removable drip tray simplifies cleaning and maintenance. Perfect for homes, offices, dorm rooms, or break areas, the Brio Limited Edition Top-Loading Countertop Water Cooler offers a compact footprint without sacrificing functionality. Experience fresh, clean water at your preferred temperature anytime with this premium, energy-efficient water cooler designed to elevate your hydration routine.